Though you don't call anymore, I sit and wait in vain. I guess I'll rap on your door, tap on your window pane. I wanna tell you, baby, changes I'm going through. Missing you till you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. Why did you have to decide you had to set me free? I guess I'll swallow my pride and keep begging you, please, won't you come and see about me? I'm gonna walk by myself to prove that my love is true. Just for you, till you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. Living for you, my dear, is like living in a world of constant fear. Hear my plea, can't you see our love is dying? The telephone you ignore, but somehow I must explain. Gotta figure it out. I'm gonna rap on your door, tap on your window pane. I'm gonna camp on your steps to prove that my love is true. Just for you, till you come back to me, baby. Till you come on back to me, yeah, yeah. Till you come on back to me. Till you come on back to me, baby. Till you come back to me. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rap on your door and tap on your window pane. Woman, oh baby, I'm gonna rap on it, tap on your window pane. Hey, yeah, 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 and I'm gonna rap on your door, tap on your window pane. Rap on your door, tap on your window pane. Oh, you're so nice. And you're out here in your PJs. What were you thinking? What are you doing in your pajamas, you guys? Are you having fun? You have parents here that are gambling? Is that what's going on? Are y'all just chilling?
Yes.
Cool, nice.
That was good, that's good.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here.
You're welcome.
Thanks for hanging out, sure. I'm just singing and we're doing a little interview.
Oh,
you
be in your interview.
Oh, no, you can listen if you want to. Oh, okay. All right.
No, I want to see, don't look at me.
Oh, here you are standing in the middle of
the camera to see me.
in the middle of the street in your pajamas and you say, please don't see me.
Don't see me.
Couldn't be more adorable than that, don't you think?